Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we will learn a bird coloring. Okay, so friends, at first you have to complete the bird drawing properly. After that you can start the watercolor. Friends, see, here I am using cobalt blue. See, everywhere I am not fill the cobalt blue. Just try to find out the light and medium dark and dark areas. Okay, so at first you have to complete the head portion, and when you will apply the color, just try to catch the light areas. Okay, so see, after completing upper portion, we can go here with same color very lightly. Okay, and see how I am spreading the color. So very important things for watercolor painting, especially transparent watercolor painting, you should catch the light areas. Okay, and here you can apply little bit cobalt blue and little bit crimson lake. It look like a purple. Okay, so friends, see how I am using the color. So at first we will complete the fast tone. When you will go to the fast tone, at that time just we have to catch the light areas. Okay, here I am using green, and here we can merge the color with little bit chrome yellow or gambus blue. Okay, here I am applying Indian yellow. If you don't have Indian yellow, you can apply orange and chrome yellow. Okay, so friends, see, it's a very important things where I am applying dark and light. See, at first we have to complete the light areas properly or fast tone properly. After completing the fast tone, we can go to the second tone. Okay, see, here you have to feel that where is too dark. Okay, see, here I'm using little bit brown sienna also. So in this way you have to complete the lower part also, Now after completing lower part, we can go the tail portion. See, here you can apply Prince Grey, or if you want you can use cobalt blue and brown sienna. Okay, see the dark areas, I am applying little bit dark portion. See, here you can apply cobalt blue and brown sienna. Okay, and very lightly you have to complete this area. Okay, so friends, see, gradually we'll complete the whole painting. See, here also I'm using ultramarine blue. At first we'll complete the first tone everywhere. See, very lightly we have applied the legs. Also here we are using brown sienna and ultramarine blue. Okay, but try to find out the light and dark areas. Okay, just we have to complete the leaves. Now friends, see, almost our first tone is completed. Now we can go to second tone. Okay, See the dark areas now. For dark areas, I am applying ultramarine blue and brown sienna. Okay, now we have to complete the second tone properly. Now friends, see, in this way we have to complete the whole painting. Okay, so friends, now just you have to follow the finishing touch. How I am using the color, just you have to follow the colors. Okay, friends, see, almost our painting is completed. In this way you have to complete your work also. And friend, first time if you don't complete the properly, you should apply the second time. And I'm sure that if you want to learn watercolor, so you should give some attention, you should practice more and more, then you can learn watercolor properly. And I'm sure that if you follow the process, see, here I'm using dark color, same color, brown sienna and ultramarine blue, but both are not same. How I am applying the dark areas, how I am catching the light areas, you should feel. If you feel, then you can do the same things. So friends, see, almost our work is completed. I'm sure that you can do. And if you want to learn painting from me, you can contact with me. I'm taking online and offline both classes. So if you want, you can learn from me watercolor, acrylic painting, oil painting, pencil sketch, pastel color, everything. Okay friend, here I'm giving my numbers, you can contact with me. Okay all of you, bye.